Good afternoon, everyone, and greetings to all watching this video. Finally, after 4 days, we just got free. I got free where I can sit and do my vlog edits plus do my work. The last 4 days, it was very hectic and also fun. People have made great memories as well. It was the last wedding of the season, so we all enjoyed. Today, we're planning to go for haircut session. That is Vaughn and myself. But the sad thing is, my Baba is not available today because it's Holi. We also wanted a massage session. I wanted to go for a head massage and wanted leg massage. Sadly, I was not able to go for a haircut nor for a massage because last minute Neomis they said that one of their guys is not well, and I was like, it's fine, forget. So I'm going to go tomorrow for a haircut next to my Baba who will be available, plus get a nice massage, a head massage. Right now we are come to Papa Pedro's, which is Santa Cruz. We have Evander over here, Vaughan over there, and Mario as well. So this is like a cloud kitchen, and they make some crazy burgers. Mario and Evander they had a shoot in Bambolim, so they were like, let's go somewhere to eat. And so all four of us came over here, and we're like, you know what? Let's go to Papa Pedro's and eat some crazy ass burgers. I'm going to show you guys how the burgers look like and what all we ordered. Okay, so this is Papa Pedro's menu, and what we did is we ordered crab risotto. I ordered the cured beef tongue burger, and Vanda ordered Papa's bacon cheeseburger. Vaughn ordered the Nashville fried chicken burger, and Mario ordered the Chinese burger. Out of all these options, he went for the Chinese burger. In Goa, whenever you go for a Goan Catholic wedding, they're going to give you this prawns risotto as a starter. But the sad thing is, three of us are allergic to it. That is Evander, Mario, and myself. And now we ordered the crab risotto. I'm allergic to crabs. I don't know about them, but I might have some type of a reaction. Time for the taste test. Okay, I give this a 10. It's good.
Amazing. The cheese crab just hits. Wow. I would give it a 9.
It's good. I give it a 10.
Guys, as you can see, just coming out right there. Yeah, it's an absolute 10 on 10.
Now I'm having the chorizo risotto. I think I've tried this before. Chorizo is always a 10 on 10.
What?
Chorizo feeling.
Very good. The filling is over anyways because I sucked on it.
Chorizo is again a 10 on 10. It's Goan authenticity, man. Has to be a 10 on 10.
I would give chorizo's a 10 on 10, bro. Because going on.
So right now we just picked up our burgers and we are going to sit somewhere because this is a cloud kitchen. We've just stopped at this place to buy something to drink, and then we are going to go to Kampal indoors where we're going to sit and eat the burgers. Most of this area is alcohol, but we're going to go for some non-alcohol thing. So I'm going for this. It is a mojito, I guess. No, this is lemon and mint. I think this is fine, lemon and mint. Okay, I just changed my mind. I got the mojitos. They look the same. That's why I got tricked. We have come over here behind Marriott's, and recently they built up this thing which I was not aware of. I used to come back when in my college days over here just to sit because the sea is right over there, and right now they made this connected the Kampal footpath till here. So guys, these are the burgers that we've got, and this is the mojitos, virgin mojitos, and what did Mario get me? Strawberry something. And we are here with this iconic view. We're just going to sit here, chill and eat.
So Alistair, what would you rate your burger?
I would rate this like, actually I would give it a 9 on 10. It's still good. Let me like eat the entire burger and then I can give a final good rating. But overall, first bite, 9 on 10.
I would definitely give it a 10 for sure. Bro, the bacon and beef freaking hits, man. Cheese dripping out.
And Chinese burgers are 9-8. I like the, which is that a Nashville's burger. I like that. And the other ones.
And he said 9 8 give me his phone number.
Rated.
So.
He ate the Chinese burger, bro.
I'm eating the National Burger today. An absolute banging burger because it has nice jalapenos to keep up the spice in it. Sadly, I'm not vlogging today. But yeah, Papa Pedro's, you ever win over here?
Always throw whatever you eat here somewhere out. I don't know who did all this. Currently we are come to Nick Ice Cream. Sadly we did not enjoy that virgin mojito. Right now we come here for some shakes or ice creams. What are you gonna have?
Ice cream, obviously.
What are you gonna have?
More like a shake, I feel.
What are you gonna have? I just want to see what is that. I think I will get myself a shake. In Goa now, almost mango season is going to start soon, so I think that's why they started with mango shakes. Put all this because today is Holi. I think it's a better, like the team was cautious enough and took the right decision. Got myself a Belgian chocolate. It's a shake. I think I've had this before. I don't remember. Juan got himself a...
Strawberry cheesecake shake.
How's it?
It's actually very good. Very cakey. But 10 on 10.
What did you get, bro?
Salted caramel and
One eternity later.
solid caramel and Belgian chocolate. Okay, 7.
7.
It tasted good, but then once you start having it, no, it just
The taste
Yeah.
in. I took
One eternity later.
Mango shake. It tastes like real mango, so yeah. It felt like a 9 out of 10.
So it's my time for taste test. Could rate this 7.